Hi Virgo, welcome sa inyong reading and this is for Virgo for May 18 to May 20, no? So Virgo, may jumper agad, no? Nagmamadali si Virgo. Virgo, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below po kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, no? Babaylan TV. Meron po tayong international channel at nagla-live din po ako doon. No? Kung gusto niyo sumali sa ating live sessions, you're very much welcome. Pero kung wala naman po tayong time, that's okay. No? Kasi po, sa comment section ng video na ito, pwede po kayong magtanong. As long as yung question is answerable by yes or no. Okay? Malinaw po yun. Virgo, I just want you to know that this is a general reading. So, sa dami-dami ng Virgo sa buong mundo, no? You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Ayan. Virgo. Yan. Ang binabasa ko po dito is yung person nyo or kayo mismo. You can switch the positions, no? Or energies. What I am reading here is the dynamic, no? Yung nangyayari sa inyong situation. So Virgo, parang ang sinasabi mo dito, I am ready, no? To explore the ocean. I am ready to love again. Ayan na, no? Parang tapos na tayo sa morning, no? Tapos na tayo sa pag-iyak, tapos na rin ang acceptance. We're already brushing ourselves up, no? Parang, nadapa man ako, no, pinapagpag ko na yung sarili ko, no? Tapos na akong umiyak, no? Na napahiran ko na ang aking mata. Ready na ako ulit sumugal sa pag-ibig. Ayan. I can see here kasi meron nagpapakita naman ng motibo sa inyo, no? Parang siguro sabi nyo, or yung iba ang nakikita ko dito with the disconnect and boredom or discontent. Parang gusto nyong tumalon sa ibang tao, no? What I'm trying to say here is to parang na hindi na maganda ang nangyayari sa current nyo at gusto nyo naman na um, ma-experience, no, yung tamang pagmamahal at kung paano itrato ng tama. Baka meron din kayo napupusukan ditong bagong person. No, and I think that you're ready to cut off ties with the past or with the current and jump into the new relationship or new chapter of your life. Don't worry, this is a safe zone, no? Wala pong judgment dito. Kung yun talaga yung nangyayari, we are not here to judge, 'di ba? Nakikita ko agad dito yung request sa akin doon sa ating pick a card reading. Kung nandun kayo sa situation na yon, no, pwede nyo pong tignan, baka maka-resonate kayo. Sino ba ang pipiliin ninyo? Yung current or itong ex, no? So, you may want to check that out. Nasa playlist po siya ng Pika Cards or makikita nyo po siya, just explore the channel, no? Balik tayo dito. Parang may napupusuan tayo with the magic. Gusto rin naman natin siya somehow, pero iniisip natin paano yung maiiwan, no? Hindi ko naman din kayang manakit ng damdamin ng iba, pero hindi na ako masaya. Ayun. Which is also true. Kailangan natin i-consider ang happiness natin kasi kapag nagpatali tayo sa happiness ng iba, sino magbibigay ng happiness sa atin? Now, I'm not pushing anyone to hurt something bad. But what I am doing in here is, ang question ko lang naman yon, sino ang magbibigay ng saya, no? Kung hindi natin pakikinggan ang ating sarili, no? I think gusto mo sanang mag-open up, either open up sa current or ex, or mag-open up, no, dito sa bago. With the Empress, the Nine of Cups, and the King of Cups. Kaso hindi ganun ka-fluid ang communication. Kung meron man, hi, hello. No? Wala ditong aminan pa. Pwede siguro titigan, no? Parang may mutual understanding na kayo, no? Pero wala dito yung formality na sinasabi natin, oy, tayo na ha. No, wala pang ganon. Pero kasi nakikita mo siguro yung sarili mo na with a nine of cups, no? Na nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa kanya na magiging masaya ako sa kanya. And parang siya yung sagot, no, sa aking mga dasal. Um, with the Queen of Cups, the Knight of Swords, and the Queen of Swords. So parang ang bilis ng pangyayari. Feeling mo match na match kayo ng taong ito. Parang feeling mo, ito ang aking katapat. Ito ang taong makakapagpasaya at mabibigyan ko ng saya. I'm also seeing angel number 555, just so you know. So, you may want to check angel number 555. With the Page of Wands, the Judgment, and the Eight of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, ka-work nyo ito. Yung iba sa inyo, nag-work siya either sa, let's say, something that's abiding by law, no? Pwedeng government officials, pwedeng nagtatrabaho sa government office, no? Laws, what have you, something about yung pagpapatupad ng batas. With the Eight of Pentacles, parang ang nakikita ko dito, Page of Wands, gusto mo sanang kausapin. Meron ka lang decision somehow na to move forward with them. Actually, hindi natin mapigilan yung puso natin, no? Kasi dumadating yung, well, pinipigilan, pero hindi. Kasi at the end of the day, lagi pa rin siyang pumapasok sa iyong isip, no? Baka may age gap dito, no? For a few numbers of you, what I am seeing in here, it could also be an LGBTQIA plus community relationship. No, with the full card in here. If this is not age gap, we're probably talking about the maturity of the person. No, pero one thing's for sure, Virgo. Kung nasaan man kayo dito, um, meron ng mutual understanding, aminin man natin at hindi, no? So this is your reading for now. Let's check, no, yung zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo. This could be their sun sign or it could be a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing here Aries, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Taurus, no? Pisces dominant, Leo, ayan, Sagittarius. So this is your reading, Virgo. And para po sa mga bago, again, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.